Hi guys, I'm Jessica Headley. Thanks for joining me on this journey of joy. I've partnered with HEB for Texans Helping Texans during this ominous time where coronavirus has hit a lot of people hard, not just with the sickness, but also businesses and jobs and everything else. So it's really important that you stay healthy. And I have three primary ways that you can do that. Aside from just drinking a little bit of water and staying hydrated, what are some basic things that can help you just kind of get through all this? Well, the first thing is sleep. Sleep is underrated, and a lot of people say, I just can't get enough hours. Well, right now, while a lot of people are working from home, you have that opportunity. But even so, a lot of people's sleep routines are disturbed, or there might be intermissions where you wake up and it's not consecutive sleep that you need, or consistent sleep. And I was one of those, having changed on news schedules for years and years, and melatonin didn't work. And I really don't like to take any sort of medicine if it's not necessary. And I found this Olly product called Sleep, and it has a lot of natural ingredients in it, but it does have the melatonin, but L-Theanine and some botanicals, and I sleep like a baby. It's amazing. So make sure you're getting your 8 hours of sleep, 7 to 9 hours of sleep. That's what's recommended, and that's going to help your body more than anything. In the past few months since recovering from that benign tumor, sleeping has been one of the best things for helping me feel great every single day. And if you're not familiar with that story, it's in my very first video on Journey of Joy. All right, the second thing, which might seem like common sense, but usually a lot of times doesn't happen in certain homes, is taking that multivitamin.
So it takes time for multivitamins to build up in your system, and believe it or not, some vitamins are simply a placebo. They are not effective because of how they're made or what is or is not mixed into the vitamin. There's a big difference in vitamins, so you want to choose good ones. Plus, I don't know about you, but I'm a huge fan of gummy, yummy vitamins. Who wants to take nasty pills if you don't have to? So here are 3 excellent gummy vitamin choices that I've had a very good experience with, that are looking to push that bar forward with the quality or types of ingredients they use, in addition to making good gummy options available, which makes it easier to want to make healthy choices each morning. So the first one here is Smarty Pants. And one of the reasons I love them is, if you take a look, gelatin, soy, synthetic colors, artificial flavors, preservatives, yeast, wheat, milk, eggs, gluten, peanuts, tree nut allergens, fish, shellfish, and salicylates. It's free of all of those, and I love that. Not to mention that it's also USDA organic, and it has most of the main vitamins that a woman is going to need. But they also have this for children. They have a Smarty Pants for adults. They have it featuring a lot of different needs on the panel. So just look for the one that's appropriate for you, for Smarty Pants.
Garden of Life is also another great vitamin that I've been able to find at HEB. Both of these I was able to find at HEB, and both of them are working towards being organic with their ingredients. They're very transparent on what's in them. So these have been 2 excellent vitamins in my life that I've been using, that I can say have worked great for me. And they have men's versions, and my husband has also used the male versions of these, and they've worked wonderfully for him. Also, this isn't the multivitamin for Olly, but Olly makes a great multivitamin also that works to get all of your different areas met in those vitamins. Just start looking at the back of them, and you'll start to realize multivitamins are not all equal. They're made very differently, and those are 3 brands I was able to find at HEB that have done wonders for me. And I swap them up from time to time just because they have different levels of ingredients in them that have been helpful. Okay, the last thing to help boost your immune system while everyone's social distancing and hoping that they're not going to get the coronavirus, but also it's a great time to reset patterns in your life where maybe you're not eating as healthy of food, or maybe you have some bad habits. And bad habits don't have to mean that you change everything in one day, but it's just one small thing. And one small thing can mean getting more greens in your life. I know it's hard to get kids to eat greens. I have nieces and nephews, but there are different ways that you can do it. One way is through these rhythm snacks that I have found. They're like my chips for every day. They're the kale chips, but they taste like Cool Ranch, and they're fantastic. And kale is so chock full of nutrients, it's incredible. I always feel better after I eat a good snack, or a good snack with a lot of greens, a lot of colors in it. Your kale, okay, I know kale may not be your favorite. It's certainly not one of my husband's favorites. So a lot of times I will cook this on the stove, put some balsamic vinegar in it. Then I'll add some oil, of course, before everything to heat it up. Then I'll add a trickle of lemon, squeeze a trickle of lemon on there, and then some great Parmesan cheese, and he'll eat it. So that's another great way to maybe get your kids or your loved ones to eat more greens. And the last way, you may have all seen some of these green bottles around, and they have a lot of your vegetables in them, but they don't have to be nasty. Now, I do drink some of the ones that are just straight up vegetables that may not be as flavorful, because your palate changes over time, and I enjoy more of that. However, if you haven't built up your palate to enjoy something like this one is by Daily Greens Renew, and has celery, cucumber, watermelon, kale, spinach, and mint. That mint, watermelon, and cucumber, they make it taste really good. And this is a nice, easy way, even if you just drink half the bottle one day and half the bottle another day, to get some of those strong, supportive nutrients in your body. And not only that, it's supporting local businesses. This one is made in Austin. The Daily Greens brand is made in Austin. So since we're in Central and South Texas here, we like to support those local businesses, especially during a time like this. Okay, so this is all about keeping you healthy. So if you have comments, just write them below. Hashtag Texans helping Texans, and also share your videos. If you're finding ways to help other people, there's going to be a lot of people in need as this cloud lifts, and there's little things that we can do every single day. And also, if there's other videos that you'd like to see me do, feel free to tag me in the comments below. You can also subscribe and share this video to help others learn how to keep their systems a little bit healthier during this time, because the healthier and happier that you are, the more you're able to relax and be able to just enjoy life. And that also permeates through everything that you do and helps resonate with other people as spreading that joy. It also can help you be a little more joyful. Don't forget to do hashtag Texans helping Texans and share this video for those that you love. Thanks for joining me on this journey of joy. Oh, and one more thing. Below, I'll have a link to all the products that were in this video that I purchased at HEB and how you can get them. See you later.